we're just waiting on Lily to get her baby Yoda's ready. We are heading out to a tractor show. Check that out, and then we have to run to Lowe's. I need a couple of more things, like I need another broccoli, stuff like that. I set out the garden yesterday. I'll show you that when we get back, whenever I am finishing it up. But yeah, we're just gonna vlog today. We've been doing Saturday vlogs for the last 3 weeks now, and we just enjoy it. And we've been doing some stuff lately. So yeah, I think I hear her coming. We're gonna head out to the tractor show. No one really likes tractors, so we're gonna go check those out before we go do our errands. Kobe. Kobe! You're not a cat. You gonna lead us? Huh? Because they want to see the tractors. I expected her to be like 3 tractors and 5 people. He got it. He just always.
Was there this baby Yoda in our other store? Does these baby 12 hours a day?
Here. We'll hold them up in front of some of these. Take pictures. And how about
That's pretty cool.
He was looking at your Yodas. That little boy was looking at your Yodas. I like this. I think he's cute. Yeah. You like that big one, Jonathan? Of course. That makes sense. You like everything big, don't you? Huh? Yeah. We done? Yo. Why didn't they get it off, Bergen? It's cute.
You're both naked, you're on your baby.
Waiting for you.
What do you get when you got your dog twitch? Eating as much as a elephant eats.
That's all I remember. Aye.
That's good.
That's all. No, doing it all.
I have no clue why this child is in the pool fully dressed. He even has socks on. It is what it is.
Mama, do we still have that big smiley face floaty in the building?
Not that I'm aware of.
We need to go change. I'm trying. We need that. It's the best one.
Ew.
That one's curved. Hey.
They were pretty.
They're stinky, you know?
Yeah, it said it on it.
They smell really good.
How do y'all swim in this stuff?
They're crazy. Okay.
No, it's warmer.
At least the floaties are pretty, ain't they?
Yeah. Mine. Jonathan likes mine the best. Whatever. That doesn't count. Vote to mine.
You are crazy. What you doing in there? You better not have your phone.
I already asked him. He's good.
Hey.
Can we check the bill? Kobe! Have a surfboard, but
You don't want that. That's bleach.
Mommy threw it away.
Partial.
You taste it.
Alright, so we are home from Walmart now. Oh, obviously. But we're home anyways. And I figured we would just show you really quick. I just went ahead and threw my hair up and changed shirts because it's too hot for long sleeves now. When we left this morning, it was pretty chilly. So, yeah, I'm going to show you what we got really quick. And then I'm going to go finish planting the vegetables. My nails look awful. That's because I painted them and then I done a lot of work yesterday. So, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to show you what we picked up today. So we got 2 of these blue chairs. I really wanted brown because the house is brown. I'm going to be painting the door brown soon. But we had white, gray, or this blue color. So I went with this blue color because I had already picked up this pillow and I thought it would look cute in it. And I have this rock down here that's like in the shape of Kentucky. It is to me anyways. And I just recently painted that blue. So I thought these blue chairs would look cute here. This little porch doesn't get much sun, like any sun. So I figured these little dinky $11 chairs would work good out here. This is like a little phone holder thing. So yeah, we're going to fix this up. This one is broke. This was actually here. The door's a mess. Ignore that. I need to clean it really good and paint it. But these was here when we moved here, so he's gotta go. And then I picked up this is a cherry tomato, I think. Yeah, we wanted a cherry tomato plant for one of the little square boxes, so picked up that at Walmart. You all need to go in, pick up that at Walmart. And then I picked up a peppermint. I already got a mint out there. I'll show you when we walk out there. But got this mint. And then whatever this is, we just know it was pretty. Super Bill. So we got that. And this. Is it going to focus on it? It's really pretty. This is a daisy, I think. Yeah, African daisy. The mint, the peppermint, and these 2 flowers will be going at the gazebo. I've done some work on those yesterday. I will show you that. And then this is the broccoli we needed. And we already had this cucumber. John has to build me another planter box before he can put that in. But we're going to finish cleaning up this porch and getting it looking all pretty. And then I can't really do much over here right now. Last year I had it looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. But this is still going to have to be used for when we pour the floor in the basement. So can't really do much here. So I just repainted my little whatever and put a flower in it, and it's also got some more little flowers in it. It's supposed to. And then I put some flowers in this as well. But this will have to do for here. But this is what I done at the gazebo yesterday. Marigolds are just easy to take care of, and they grow quickly, and they're cheap. So I put some of those out so you can see. I did put my bulb here, but it's dead for the year, so hopefully it comes back. I don't know. I'm not good with flowers, but I'm trying to be. And then this is just sweet mint. It helps with like bugs and stuff. Plus my kids just like to mess around with it. So I got sweet mint on this side. And then on this side right here, I'm going to put the peppermint. And then the 2 flowers I have, I will probably put somewhere. Maybe there and there. I don't know. We'll see.
I like that.
this is what it looks like right now. I'm not mad about it. I don't like love it, but it is what it is. I need another pillow. I walked right past them when I bought the chairs today because I already had the pillow because I only had one seat and I didn't think to buy another one. So hopefully they still have some more of those when we get to go back. Because I seen the pillows, but I didn't see that pillow. I mean, granted, I wasn't looking. You know what I mean? So I do need another one for that chair though, just to help balance it out. And then this is what I done here. The door, like I said, it needs repainted and it's dirty, you know, dogs. That's a dog door. And then this board I got and brought up here yesterday or the day before, I don't know. But I'm going to make a vinyl decal to put on it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put. He's been on the front porch for 1, maybe 2 years. I figured we could put him back here and he kind of matched with what's going on back here. So, did you get anything done?
Yeah, well, torture myself with the insulation.
But yeah, I think that I'm done for the day. I'm going to get out here and sit in my chair in the sunshine and read because I've not got to read much today and I've really been enjoying reading. John is working on the basement today. He's working on plumbing anyways. It's been a slow process, especially with him. He has been working a ton and, you know, he's been needing to take time to do what he wants. So, took a little break from the basement. He's working on it this weekend though. He's at the part that he hates the most, I think. I think that's what he said. So, he's working on that. The 3 little kids are up there in the pool. Jonathan's in the house doing what 17-year-old boys do. He's in his room on his phone listening to music. He might be talking on the phone to one of his friends. I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just going to relax and read. Probably not really going to cook much of nothing for dinner tonight because I am tired. Days that we like leave the house and do a lot is more tiring to me than staying home and working all day long. So let's find something quick for dinner later. I could eat now, to be honest. I'm hungry. But we'll see. I will eat when everybody else is ready. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go out here and read for a bit. Got all my chores done for the day. And we will see you all next time. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Until next time, bye guys.